Drivers in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, this is autonomous play here. We see the Blue Alliance taking stationary goal and a mobile goal. We've got the Lochnut Monster doing what they have done all weekend long, showing that autonomous prowess. Red Alliance taking home that early lead in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the Lochnut Monster, a beauty of autonomous programming. Their robot, Nessie, has delivered a red mobile goal into that 20-point zone. They even added a 2-cone stack on top. Blue Alliance trying to negate that advantage with their own mobile goals. (15:05). That is our team coming from St. Catharines, Ontario. The Robo Raiders, they're reaching around back. They go. They successfully drop that in the corner with a 3-cone sack. Blue Alliance taking the advantage in the 20-point goal zone. Red Alliance answering back with a mobile goal of their own in the 10-point goal zone. Just under a minute of play here left in the match. The Lochnut Monster, they are moved over to the feeder station. They're going to try and get their stack. They need to be careful with that arm. Make sure that they can keep it all placed. Lochnut dropping off another mobile goal in that 10-point goal zone with just 30 seconds left in the match. We see another mobile goal moved in for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance has now scored every single mobile goal on the field. Red Alliance answering back onto those stationary goals. It's a 2-cone apiece. Lochnut reaching over. They're trying to go. Can they get that third one on? Oh, it falls just outside. The Blue Alliance tragically knocking off all of their cones in 3, 2, 1. Our match comes to a close. Andy.